Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and tell you thank you and welcome for what? Checking out this opportunity. Yes, your free item is on its way to your email address right now as we speak. As long as you input the correct email address on the previous page, you should see it in about 5 to 7 minutes. And if not, just check your spam folder or your promotions tab and drag it from there. If you could do me a favor, drag it from there and put it in your primary folder just so you don't miss any other future emails that I may be sending. I always got free stuff I'm giving away from time to time, and also, different information regarding internet marketing, online businesses, motivation, just other things of value that no one else really does, So, also, just so you know, I made this video so that I could show you that I'm a real person just like you. And also like you, I was interested and am still interested in making money online, right? I found this opportunity though, and it's too good for people to miss. That's why I'm giving stuff away so that people can see, kind of like what I'm giving you so that you can check out this opportunity. In fact, this opportunity will allow you to make extra money per month, and who does not want that, right? So this online business that you're going to see on the next page, it allows you to earn money and earn commissions and earn a supplemental income, all while learning the affiliate marketing online business, right? It gives you time. You set up the system. It's an autopilot system. You set it up and allows you to get into learning affiliate marketing, learning all the ins and outs, all while the system is generating you huge multiple income streams, right? Multiple income commissions, right? And who doesn't want that? So just a little bit about what this system does. It's an autopilot system, okay? And it's in a business model that is crushing it. It's a multi-billion-dollar business model, and it's called affiliate marketing, right? You can't beat it. Check this out. Even your phone company, right? So say you got whatever phone company you got, you can look at your phone and they're always promoting what? Like Netflix or Hulu. Guess what? If you sign up through them, they get a commission. That's affiliate marketing. That's just done by big corporations. So this system that I'm going to show you uses that same model to generate huge commissions for you, multiple streams of income for you. So anyway, before you go on to the multiple commission generating opportunity that on the next page, I know multiple commission generating it. I like the sound of that. Like I said, it's an autopilot system. But before you go over there, let me tell you a little bit about what to expect, right? So the system allows you to make money online, and all you need is an internet connection, a smartphone, a tablet, a computer, or whether it's a computer, desktop, or a laptop. It really doesn't matter. You just need an electronic device to access the internet, big enough so you can type on, and an internet connection. You can run down to the Mickey D's or whatever and jump on the internet and just do what you need to do. That's how simple it is, and that's how non-techy it is, right? So the system is completely beginner friendly, like I said, and allows you to generate money online. There's no experience required, and in fact, I'm gonna help you get started, and I'm gonna be there, partner with you along the way. Because frankly, I believe that my success is tied to your success. And as long as you're successful, I'm successful. And the more I share with you, the better I understand and learn. And guess who benefits? You do, right? You benefit from me sharing, and I benefit from you understanding, and reinforces all. It's like a circle, the circle of life, all of that, right? Anyway, there's no website required. And in fact, they're going to give you one. Like I said, you don't need to learn how to do capture pages, autoresponders, copywriting, or anything like that. Nothing that those gurus are trying to sell you for $997. You don't need any of that. And like I said, I'm going to be there helping you. And you're going to get free time because the system is on autopilot that you can. And in fact, one of the income streams and part of this funnel allows you to learn all about online businesses and online marketing, okay? So like I said, I'll be there with you along the way. And if you got any questions, you can always reach out. I'm highly accessible. In fact, you're going to get my email that is going to have your free offer on it. It's going to have, you can reply to that. You're going to have access to me, connect with me on Facebook. You can access me on YouTube. You can, and some of my emails even have my SMS information on it. So I'm highly accessible. You won't get ghosted by me. And if you partner with me, we'll do this together all the way, 100%, right? So, well, go ahead and click the button below and watch the free video. Check it out. I'm sure you'll like it. I'm sure you're gonna be impressed about the about what you can do and the potential, right? What you can do online. So when you take action today, I'll be there today. I'll be there tomorrow if you got any questions. So anyway, just so you know, I'm there to help all the way. Go ahead and click the button, and I'll see you on the inside.